exploration, drilling, blasting, loading, hauling, crushing, grinding, flotation, smelting, converting, refining, manufacturing.
There it is, significant copper visible here.
Noted. I've got the photos logged for this run.
The copper readings here are significantly higher than the previous section.
Yes, the mineralization seems concentrated around this fault line.
Flow at 25 psi. We are almost topped off on hole 16. Confirmed. Maintaining pressure. Clear the blast area.
The transformation is complete. 300,000 tons of rock, now ready for transport.
For 140 years, the 80 tons of copper have withstood the elements, protected by this distinctive verdigris.
position check. Adjust starboard.
Affirmative, adjusting now. Hold for alignment confirmation.
Alignment confirmed. Ready for tap.
Easy now, center position.
Looks aligned on this side.
Clear below.
Cycle complete. Tension check.
Solid. Ready for pickup.
Confirmed. Bring the Fox in.
Directionals. Copper is scientifically proven to kill bacteria. That's why these antiviral surfaces are being integrated into modern hospitals.
It closure this. From the motor windings to the battery bus bars, this EV contains 83 kilograms of copper.
The circular economy ensures that recycled copper is identical to new, minimizing waste and maximizing resource efficiency.
The journey is complete. The result is a world connected, a civilization.
This journey, from the Earth to the essential tools of modern life, is driven by the dedication and expertise of our professional workforce.
This tribute honors the thousands of professionals whose expertise and dedication transform rock into copper, enabling our modern world.
If you made it this far, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. What process should I cover next? Steel? Aluminum? Glass? You tell me. Thanks for watching.